Good morning class, myself Shashi Prakash and I have done my graduation from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, and I have post-graduated from Baba Sahab Bhimrao Ambedkar University which is in Lucknow. I currently live in Lucknow and the topic we are going to study today is metals and non-metals. Okay, metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Okay, so now what are metals and what are non-metals? What is metal? What is metal? Whereas what is non-metal? What is non-metal? Okay, so now we will study comparatively metals and non-metals. What is metal? Metal is any material or substance that have luster. It shows some malleability, ductility, and it has conductivity. And the conductivity can be of electrical and thermal both. Okay, any material or substance, any material or substance which has some luster, shows malleability, ductility and conductivity. It can be thermal and electrical both. Thermal and electrical. Okay. Now what is non-metal? Few exceptions will be there. We will study further. What is non-metal? Any material or substance which don't have luster, which don't have conductivity, which don't shows malleability. Non-metal shows brittleness behalf of malleability or ductility. They shows brittleness and they don't have conductivity. So any material or substance which don't have luster. Few exceptions are there. For example, diamond is a non-metal and it has lustrous property. Okay, malleability, don't have malleability, ductility and conductivity, but exceptions are always there. Graphite is a non-metal which shows electrical conductivity. Okay, and most of the metals are solid at room temperature, whereas non-metals they can be solid or in gaseous state. But exceptionally, metals, mercury is a metal which is present in liquid state at room temperature, whereas in the non-metals, bromine is a non-metal which is present in liquid state at room temperature. Okay, now what is malleability? First of all, luster. What is luster? Luster is some shine shown by the particular metals. Malleability is the property in which any metal can be hammered and it get converted into thin sheets. Whereas ductility is the property in which metals can be drawn into thin wires. And all these properties almost non-metals do not have. Okay, so these are the topics, and exceptions are there in non-metals, whereas in metals, as we talked about the mercury is a metal and it present in liquid state at room temperature. Okay, so this was our topic. I summarized in very briefly. Now we will study further in the next session. Thank you.